Hello everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. Today is April 29th, and I just want to discuss the results I've been getting with this Done For You program. Please make sure you stay to the end of this video because I have some information that I would like to provide that you don't want to miss. I am going to be short and straight to the point. I hope everyone is enjoying their weekend. Happy Sunday to all of those that are out there. So with this system, for those that don't know, I've been in the Power Lead system since September of 2017, and I took a look at this opportunity. In 2015, I made absolutely no money at all, and I took a second look at it because I seen that there were people that were earning consistently with the system, and that was one of my main downfalls, is that even though I was earning money online here and there, it wasn't consistent. And that's what I wanted. I knew that in order for me to leave my job, in order for me to have a full-time income for my family, I needed something that was generating me income on a daily basis, okay? So I took another look at this opportunity, and I'm happy that I did because I am having really good results with it, and it's just growing. So with that said, I'm in my Gmail right now. This is my picture, this is my account, and these are the opt-ins and the signups that I've been getting over the last few days. Just going back to the 26th, which was 3 days ago, I have brought in gold members. At every time a gold member comes in, that's a $20 commission. Diamond members are $100 commissions. Fast start bonuses are $400 commissions. As you can see, on the 26th, I had 4 fast start bonuses. I had 16 gold members, a diamond member. On the 25th, another diamond member. And then just moving right along, just over the last couple of days, I've had diamond members and gold members that came in as well. So what I'm doing is actually just running cold traffic to this. And of course, I'm doing it on a budget. I do have a family, 2 children that I have to support on my own. So I make sure that I do everything within a budget. And then I scale up as I make more money. And you can pretty much scale this up as big as you want it. Just know it takes time and consistency. But so far, being in this program since September of 2017, I've made thousands of dollars just running cold traffic and following up with the people that opt into my capture page and showing others exactly how to do this. With this program, you can have your funnel set up within 30 minutes. I have step-by-step on how to do it. And if you don't want to do it yourself, you can pay $50 and have your funnel set up for you. It's that easy. So I'm telling you this information, not to brag, but to let you know what is possible when you have a system that actually works, a duplicatable system that anyone can actually do, and with time generate thousands of dollars. We have a hangout that is going to start this evening, 8 p.m. Eastern time, and I would like for people to join me. We're going to have hundreds, at least 100 people that are going to be on this hangout. And we're going to have other people that are going to come out and speak about their success using this system. This is the link. It's going to be 8 p.m. Eastern time, and freedomtakers.net is how you get registered. The reason why I would like for you to be a part of this hangout is because you can see that there are a lot of ordinary people that are earning hundreds and thousands of dollars utilizing this system. If you also become a part of our group, Freedom Takers group, you'll see that there are thousands of people in our group, and people are earning every day, average people, by just running traffic to a Done For You funnel. So I'm just giving this information for all of those who are interested to see what's out there. If you want to be able to earn commissions consistently, learn how to run traffic on a budget, and get signups every single day, like this. On the 14th, I had a fast start bonus. I mean, on the 16th, a fast start bonus, 2 on the 16th. If you want to know how to do that, how to get these $400 commissions, these $100 commissions over and over again, 3 diamond members, which is $300 on the 16th. If you want to learn how to do this, I can show you how to do this and earn a full-time income from home. Thanks so much for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. And I'll see you tonight at 8 p.m. Eastern time. How to get registered for this hangout will be in the description below. Enjoy your weekend, and please try to come out tonight if you can.